I'm literally going to show you my exact plug and play setup for creating high quality videos such as this, including the lighting, the audio, camera, and my exact workflow in Streamlabs to make it so easy for anyone to do. With this setup, all I literally have to do is turn on my PC and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to record. And if you want this easy pro level setup without the hassle, let's get into it. Now, I've always thought that creating quality content can sometimes feel like a little bit of a sinkhole and a waste of time, especially when you're solo like me and you're handling everything from the filming to the editing to the thumbnails to the titles to the SEO to the description to the lighting to the audio, and it just gets all too much. But what if I told you that I've worked out a way to streamline the entire process? And with my setup, I've built a system that lets me hit record and focus primarily and purely on delivering value without wasting hours in the setup, the pre-setup, and the post-production setup. Today, I'm going to walk you through my entire process, each piece of my setup from lighting, audio, camera, and how Streamlabs ties that all together to make it so easy for me as a YouTuber. You will have to stick around. I'm going to explain my lighting, the audio, the camera equipment, and everything I use, and then explain how I tie it all together and use DaVinci Resolve to edit my videos. So the reason I do this is because it's a plug and play approach. It keeps my workflow fast and easy, so all I have to focus on is creating the quality content and delivering value to you guys. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Daniel H, a content creator, and I'm super passionate about making things easier for people diving into video creation and being a creative. Now, I can't help you with being the creative. That's up to you, whatever your niche is. But what I can help you with is how-tos and tips and tricks and hacks on how to be a content creator in this digital space that we call YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or wherever you post your content. Now, I started as a creative. I've been an actor, I've been a singer, I've been a dancer, I've been a podcaster, I've been a voiceover artist for the past 10, 15 years. And at first, I found it really hard to struggle to know what equipment to use, what lighting to use, what audio to use, and now I've streamlined it all for you using Streamlabs, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So first up, let's talk about lighting, and lighting is one of those critical elements in video quality, and I keep it straightforward but effective. I think this looks pretty good, don't you? Now, I use an eMart softbox kit, but it's no longer available on Amazon. So I want to tell you about the newer softbox kit that I've used before, which gives me that soft professional look without any harsh shadows. It's really affordable. Newer is an affordable content creation equipment company, and they are easy to set up, making it perfect for creators who just want a clean look without complicating gear. Now, the softbox that I use is located straight above my head, facing right towards me, as you can see in this footage. Now, these softboxes are positioned this way to give me that even lighting across my face, and it helps brighten up my face and the background evenly. Now, this is just a plug-in, so once you've plugged it in, it's plug and play. I turn my computer on, it comes on with that, and it's plug and play, and it's set to exactly how I want it. And you can use an app on this one to change the warmth or the amount of light that comes through too. Now, to complement this light, I use a newer video light that's an LED light that comes in from this side. I'll show you right now. I'll turn it off. And you can just see it just brightens up the front of my screen. I think it's a great addition, and I've linked another video light. The newer one is no longer available on Amazon, so I've linked a 2-pack for you that you'll be able to get straight in the description alongside all this other lighting and tech equipment that I'll put in there down in the description below. And whilst you're looking in the description, click a little subscribe on there for me to comment what you want me to do next as well. Now, for the lights in the background, I have a lamp for that softer ambient glow, which helps balance out my setup. And I also have I don't know if you can see it from here, but an LED pole strip that I'll link in the description as well. Another great light to just add a little bit of flair and that creativity into your videos. And I have two, I don't know if you can see them, I have two floodlight LEDs, and I've linked those in the description as well. You can get them, and I'll show you them on the screen now. Now that's about it for my lighting. I'm pretty happy with that. So on to audio. Now I think quality sound can make or break a video. When I first started recording videos, my sound quality was awful because I didn't have a good quality sound knowledge or even the equipment to make it right. I use the Rode NT1A as my main microphone, and I think it gives me that crisp professional sound. It's always been a solid choice for me, whether I'm doing voiceovers, whether I'm doing vlogs or podcasts. And I think it picks up all the nuances of my voice without too much background noise, which I think is great. The one I really want is the Shure SM7B, and I've linked that in the description for you below. When I'm doing mobile recordings or when I need flexibility of moving around, I switch to the Hollyland lavalier mic. So this is the Hollyland lavalier mic. It has two microphones, each have noise cancelling. You can plug it into your cameras, your iPhones, you can wear it around your neck. It's a great little mic and it lasts forever. I've not charged this since I bought it yet. I think it's fantastic, and it also gives you that crisp quality audio whether you're on the go, whether you're outside. It has great noise reduction, so the wind can get into the microphone and you still won't hear it. So if you are looking to upgrade a microphone or start off with a top tier quality one, if you are into vlogging, gaming, that sort of thing, I recommend the Shure SM7B. It's a go-to in the industry of content creation. And whilst I'm not using it right now, it's next on my list. Trust me, it's so reliable. I've used it in many podcasts. So I want you to check the link out in the description, click that one, and I promise you will not be disappointed with this mic. Now, we've talked about the audio, we've talked about the lighting, and now we need to talk about the video. The video that I use and the camera that I use is the Canon 5D Mark IV. Now, this is a DSLR camera, and I use a 24 to 105 millimeter lens. Now this is quite a professional setup. You can do this with an iPhone or just a cheap camera that provides you 180p or 4K filming quality. And to capture that and to bring it into Streamlabs, I use the Elgato HD 60S Plus. Now this is a game capture, video capture card that essentially allows me to film that Canon video and put it into Streamlabs. Now, for some reason, Canon make it really difficult to use their cameras as a plug and play option for Streamlabs, and you have to use Canon Camera Connect or something along those lines to use their equipment. But I got around that by using the Elgato HD 60S Plus, which is a video game capture card essentially, and that allows me to film on Streamlabs in 180p. Now, here's the best part. That streamline process that we've all been wanting and craving. I use Streamlabs as my main recording software, and this is to me a game changer if you want efficient and a plug and play setup. With Streamlabs, I can literally control everything from the audio levels to the overlays directly within one app. I can change my lighting, I can change my audio levels, I can change how my camera looks, and I can change the overlays that I put on there to create the content. With just a click of a button, I can change it from my full face to the screen capture that you can see here. And the best part, once I've set it up, all I need to do is hit this little record button at the moment, as you can see, and I'm literally ready to go. Now, Streamlabs allows me to switch between these scenes. As I said, it adds custom layouts and I can manage my setup on the fly. So if I need to change to show you something, I can just click one button and it'll instantly change and show you everything that you need to see, just like I have now. So if you're looking for something that makes recording quick and easy and literally hassle-free as it did for me, Streamlabs for me was a solid choice. Now, once I've done all the recording and I've tried to give you all the value that you need, I then hop into DaVinci Resolve, which again is another free app. Oh, if I didn't mention, Streamlabs is free. So I then hop into DaVinci Resolve and that provides my editing. Now, this is one of the best things I find about Streamlabs. I'm now on DaVinci Resolve and you can see one of the YouTube shorts that I'm currently editing. And I rely on DaVinci Resolve for all my editing. But the best thing is you can use Streamlabs to record your DaVinci Resolve edits in real time. This makes it ideal for any creator trying to share their work with their audience. And I think my process for DaVinci Resolve is pretty straightforward. I import my footage that I've just recorded on Streamlabs straight into the timeline of DaVinci Resolve, and then I can start cutting down the content to make it as engaging as possible. I'll then edit all my videos, as you can see here in DaVinci Resolve. Oh, by the way, check this. Disabled my video track on this because this is where one of my LUTs that I've been using. Look how good that is. You can get my look pack. It is linked in the description if you want it. If you're into video creation and you want a click one plug and play look pack, bang. Look how good that is. Now that's just another way that I like to keep my workflows streamlined. I have that look pack ready and available in DaVinci Resolve, so I can just click one click. It'll make my videos look amazing, and it's great for streamlining that process. So if you're thinking about getting started in video content creation and you just don't know where to start, I would recommend Streamlabs as a go-to. It can make your videos so much easier, a plug and play process, and I think it will work wonders for you. Remember, I've just linked all the gear that I've mentioned in the description. If you want to check out the exact items or any similar ones to what I use, please go check them out in the description. And for more tips on making content creation simpler, faster, more efficient, check out this video here. I'm all about helping creators at the same time without compromising any quality. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!